In this video, I want to show you how to use Model Maker to calculate NDWI in ERDAS Imagine. The NDWI stands for the Normalized Difference Water Index and is popularly used to highlight open water features in a satellite image, which allow water to stand out against soil and vegetation. NDWI is calculated from satellite image as green minus near infrared all over green plus near infrared. And if you are using Landsat 8, for example, the formula is band 3 minus band 5 all over band 3 plus band 5. So in this exercise, what we want to do essentially is to use Model Maker in ERDAS Imagine to do normalized difference water index to highlight water features in satellite image. So let's go to ERDAS Imagine. In ERDAS Imagine, the first thing to do is to bring in your raster. So that is our satellite image. So to do that, just click on the viewer and click on Open Raster Layer. Let me navigate to my recent folder. Click on OK. Yes, here is my layer stack image. I'll click on it and click on OK. So it has been added. I can fit to frame. This is my layer stack image. In the previous video, I've shown you how to do layer stacking in ERDAS Imagine. To use the Model Maker to make a NDWI, come to Toolbox. And here you will see Model Maker. Click here and click on Model Maker. Yes, this will open a new model. Now we need to bring in some parameters. And here we need to bring in our raster and bring in our function and connect it together. So in another video, I'll explain this to you. So to bring in our raster, here, place this icon, click on it and bring and drop it here. That is raster object. Then we need to bring function. So click here and drop it here. Click here and drop it here. I'll explain this thing one by one, but let me finish dropping them. Bring raster object, place it here. Bring raster object, place it here. I'll explain this thing later. Then bring a function here. And finally, we are going to bring the another raster. Let's place it here. Now, let me explain what these things mean. Now, to run this model, we need a raster, which will be our input. Then we will need a function, which is formula. And the formula is going to give us raster. And the raster giving us, we are going to use another function to generate our output raster. So this is raster object, function, giving us raster, then another function to generate the final result. So let me explain it using this formula. You know that NDWI is equal to green minus NIR, that is near infrared. So this green minus NIR, this represents these functions. And the second function below, which is green plus NIR, is the one represented by this. So when you bring in your raster, this raster here you are seeing on the image, is the one representing this raster object. Then the function, the first function on top, which is green minus near infrared, is this one. The second function is the function below, which is green plus near infrared. Then the result of this is going to give us this raster. The result from here will give us this raster. Then we are going to apply another function, which is here. All this divided by all this is the function we are going to input here, and that will give us the final result here. So the next thing we need to do now is to connect them. So we are going to use connector to connect them. This is connector, and connect here to here. Connect the raster to the function. Pick the connector again, connect this one to this. Then this one is connected to this. Then pick another one. Yes. Then this one is connected to this. This one is connected to this. And finally, this one will give us the results. Yes. Now, the next thing now is to input our raster. As I've explained to you earlier on, this is our raster, set of first function here. Then it will give us set of raster, and the raster, we are going to this raster divided by this raster to give us our final NDWI. So to do that, input the raster, double click here, and navigate to your folder. So in my folder, this is it, layer stack. Click on it and click on OK. Then click OK. So we have to input the formula now. To input the formula, double click here. So you can see in the layer stack, I have band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6. And recall our formula is green minus near infrared, which means band 3 minus band 5. We are using band 3 and 5. So come here. It means band 3 minus band 5. So click on OK. So we have input the value there. Then the second function is green plus near infrared, that is band 3 plus band 5. So come here, band 3 plus and 5. Click on OK. Yes, we are done with that. Now the results here, click here. The result, just say temporal raster only and click on OK. Similarly, here, double click it. It will be temporal raster only. But make sure here you choose floats. Make sure you choose floats and click on OK. Now, let's scroll down a bit. Now, this very last function is this one. All this, that is green minus near infrared, all divided by green plus near infrared. That means this result we got here, it will be this one divided by this one. How do we do that? The function is going to be here. Double click here. So now, this is how we write the formula or the functions. And I'll give you the function in the description box. Here you are going to type either space 0 space if open brackets this first raster here space put equal space 0.0 and close the brackets. I'll give you this function in the description box. Space or space this one divided by this one space otherwise. See, this is what it means. All this divided by this, that is what this function represents. So I'm going to leave the function in the description box for you to see it properly, or to just copy and paste and edit as deemed fit. So after that, just click on OK. Now we need to specify where the output will be. So come here. This is the last one, which is raster object. Double click it, and here specify where the result will be. So let's name the result NDWI and click on OK. Then finally click on OK. Now our model is ready. You can save this model for future use, but let me quickly go through it again so that you can understand. We brought in a raster and we input the function, and the function will generate another set of raster. That set of two raster generated we use another function to divide them to give us the final raster here. It is time to run the model. So come here and click on execute model. Click on it. So the model is running. Yes, the model is executed. So click on close. And here you can minimize this or save it for future use. Then let's add another view. Come to home and come to add views. So here, let's bring in the result we generated. Click here and click on open raster layer. Then let's navigate to our recent folder. And here is it, NDWI, we just produced. Click on it and click on OK. Then just click here and fit layer to Windows. So you can see it. You can see. Let me bring this one here. Let me bring it here. So if I zoom here, you can see that it has isolated the water bodies. You can see the water body. It has brought it out clean. And also here, this water body, you can see it. So this is NDWI, Normalized Difference Water Index. So you can see it here. So all the water body has been made to stand out against vegetation and soil. So this is how to use Model Maker in ERDAS Imagine to run NDWI. I hope you like this video. If there is anything or questions, let's know in the comment section so that we can clarify. Thank you for watching.